Well, I haven't made jack-o'-lanterns in a long time, and may not have been the last time, but one of the earlier times I managed to cut my finger pretty bad with a knife. So I'm going to try this theory here using the old multi-tool here and see how that works. Cut a pumpkin. Oops. Come on around here. Looks like I got all the way there. There, it's a little tight. I know we're getting far enough in. I know we're getting far enough in. Oh, whoops, that didn't work, did it? I know it's going to come out there. Alright, well, we broke the handle off of it there, so, but mainly I'm just trying to see if this is going to work. And yes, it will work. I could have gone a little deeper in there. The cut's real easy, as you can see. So, and that's a dirty pumpkin, but now let's see what happens when we try to cut some eyeballs in here. That works a lot better than a knife does. Now let's see if we can do something different on them teeth down here. Where's some of them others at? We got all kind of ears on a little bitty one. We're gonna try this. It'll take a second to change the blade. If we had one of them kind of had the quick release attachment thing, it'd be better. But being that I don't, well, I don't. So let's try this little bitty one here and see what happens. You got to have these adapters. You have to have these little adapter deals if you don't have the regular. If you don't have the regular tools for this particular. This is a what? Quarter cable, is it? No, Rockwell. Okay. So you know everyone's got their own thing, but you can buy these adapters where you can put anybody's blades on there. And let me get this turned around here better. Get it situated here better. Yeah, this is a little one. Well, not perfectly straight. Here, gonna kind of allow for some slip. Well, that's good to slip, but it'll be okay. Now let's see what you do for. We got to punch the nose out. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if you can you see what we're doing here? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so you're gonna do the mouth. Drag the little teeth there. Yeah, well, let's see, I don't know how you do that. Maybe right here, maybe right here. Right there. Like that. I couldn't punch that one out, couldn't I? There we go. Oh, let's see there. I don't know what I'm doing now. Let's see what we got here. I'm not really, like I said, not really caring about what it looks like, but I want to see, I want to see if I can make one a little bit oddball here. Get on in there. And there's one. Oops. About cut too close to that one, didn't I? Yeah, there. That don't look very much like teeth, but let's see what else we got here. That's just... Well, that don't look very good. I can see that. Anyway, the point of it being, get off of there. You get on. I didn't cut it far enough, did I? Somehow. Anyway, you know, if anybody's a little bit more of a master craftsman at this decor, why, that would be better. Of course, I am not, so therefore. Basically, what I was trying to do was see if this was easier to make a jack-o'-lantern as opposed to using a knife. As I said, I cut my thumb pretty bad one time. You may be able to see the scar right there from trying to make a jack-o'-lantern many years ago. Now, we shouldn't have broke the top off, and then it would have gone back on there somehow, wherever it fits like that. Okay, I just want to see if this will work, and apparently it will. So much for that. And thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and all right.